So it's the season of pumpkin, and we're going to make a pumpkin love cake. So first thing you do for making a pumpkin cake, prepare your pan. I prepared my pan. I'm going to be using a loaf pan for this cake. I'm going to be using a loaf pan for this cake. Okay, I need to line in my pan. So it's called a pumpkin cake, and we need a pumpkin. The major ingredient in this cake is a pumpkin. So I'm going to be preparing my pumpkin. So the first thing we do making a pumpkin cake is to puree, get our pumpkin puree. Yeah, and how do we do that? We cut our pumpkin, boil it for 10 minutes, then we mash it. That's how we get a pumpkin puree. So I'm going to do that right now.
The girls came to help.
So this is our pumpkin puree mixed with milk. There's our egg, our sugar, and our dry ingredients, our flavor, our vegetable oil. So the first thing we do is to, in a bowl, add our eggs, and I'm using two different kinds of sugar, light brown sugar and white sugar. So you can use any sugar you like. So I'm going to add my sugar. Yes. So you can use your hand mixer. You can use your. I just like to use the whisk because I don't know, flavor, vanilla flavor. Then give it a good mix, a good. Sure, it's okay. Okay. Then this is pumpkin puree. So everything is just in the bowl and very easy. Very easy. And I add a vegetable oil. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Now it's time to add dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients here is sieve. We have a flour, all spices, all-purpose spices, and we have cinnamon and salt. So everything is mixed. I'm using self-raising flour. So done. So nice pumpkin bread. So everything goes into my leaf pan. And I'm going to bake this for 45 minutes. Okay. Our love cake is ready. So I'm just trying to take it out of the pan right now. so moist. Moist. The guests had theirs with milk and it's so delicious. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. See you in my next video.